Welcome to Shining Star Piano Level 1, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will learn to count rhythms, identify the white keys around the black 2s on the piano, and learn about the famous composer Frederic Chopin. To play the songs and do the worksheets that I referred to in these lessons, you'll need a copy of the Cole Piano Method Level 1. You can access the PDF files for printing or use them on a tablet for free at freepianomethod.com. You can also order a printed copy from Amazon. You can find the links below. And of course, you'll also need a piano or keyboard, and my recommendations are linked below as well. Let's get started. There are many different notes in music. These different notes tell you how long to hold down a key. Quarter note means hold the key down until you count to 1. 1. A half note means you hold the key down until you count to 2. 1, 2. A dotted half note means you hold the key down until you count to 3. 1, 2, 3. A whole note means you hold the key down until you count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/8 notes mean to play 2 keys quickly while you say one end. One end. Let's tap and count this rhythm on a C key. To find a C key, look for some black 2s on your piano, and it's going to be the white key to the left of them. You can use any hand and any finger you want. Let's tap. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and 1, 1, 1, and 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're ready to complete page 12 in your Cole Level 1 book and practice the songs on pages 13 through 16. Go ahead and pause the video, work through those pages, and then join me again for the next section of the lesson. Welcome back. The white keys on the piano keyboard are named after the first 7 letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, over and over. If I start at the very bottom of my piano, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 A, B, C. That's so many keys. Let's practice singing the music alphabet with a little song that you probably recognize, but we're going to change it a little bit since the music alphabet only uses 7 letters. Ready? We're going to start on A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's sing it in reverse. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Music only goes to G. G, A, B is what I say. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. It would take a long time to find the right A, B, C, D, E, F, or G you wanted if you had to start at the bottom and count your way up. So we use the black keys on the piano to help us identify the white keys. And if you notice, the black keys on the piano keyboard are in groups of 2s and 3s. Let's find all the black 2s on your piano. Now let's find all of the black 3s. Your piano or keyboard might not have all the keys that mine has, but that's okay. So specific white keys are located in relation to the black keys. Today we'll learn the names of the white keys located around the black 2s. D is in the middle, C is on the left, and E is on the right. As fast as you can, let's see if you can find all of the C's on your keyboard. Ready? Remember, it's at the left. Now let's find all of the E's on the right. And then all of the D's in the middle of the twos. Here is a fun song for you to play on your keyboard. It goes like this. D is for the doggy with the 2 black ears. Go ahead and pause the video and play this song on all of the D's on your keyboard. Now you're ready to complete pages 19 and 20 in the Level 1 book, and then practice the songs on pages 21 through 24. Go ahead and pause the video to do that, and then join me back for the last part of our lesson. Frederic Chopin was a great composer from the Poland in the Romantic era. He wrote many beautiful works for the piano. You can watch a recording of one of his waltzes or his famous Polonaise in A major linked here below. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you'd like my feedback on your performances of today's pieces and you're not already a member, you can join Star Music Academy online. You'll get weekly practice guides that walk you through each lesson, unlock bonus videos of all the pieces we cover in this course, and be able to submit performance videos for feedback from me. You'll also have the opportunity to participate in live in-person and online recitals and events. You'll also be first in line to register when space opens for live online or in-person classes. You can register now using the link below. I'll see you in the next lesson.